questions about our cremation jewelry, and that's why today I thought we'd break down the process of how we actually create your cremation jewelry. So my name is Flux. I'm the creator of Flux Jewelry, and I innovated a technique to incorporate the ashes inside of the jewel. One of our number one questions is, how do we do it? Well, we actually create a small compartment inside of the ring or the necklace where the ashes are then placed inside and sealed shut. So it is 100% waterproof. You never have to take your jewelry off. We create everything in solid gold, so it really lasts a lifetime. So if you are looking to create a cremation piece, we either have our ready to order designs below that can of course be customized as well, or you can send us an inquiry via our contact page where you can send us a brief description of what it is that you're looking for, you know, the type of gem, the cut of gem. If you have any examples of pictures that you like for inspiration, we always recommend sending them as well, and then we will prepare an estimate for you and we can go on into our custom process together, which is a very simple process. Once the order is placed, we will then send you instructions on how to ship us the ashes, because we really only need a very small amount, like the tip of a teaspoon. Once the ashes have been received, we will always film the process of inserting the ashes inside the jewel for you, so you can be sure that it's been done. Anything that we don't use, we always return to you. So that is the general process of how the cremation jewelry is made. And for rings, we do send a ring sizer to your home express as well, so if you aren't sure about your ring size, there's no problem there. So if you have any more questions about the process or like to inquire, you can always send us an email. We generally respond within a few hours. If you don't see it, check your spam. So thank you, and I look forward to working with you.